Tinakpan mo, tinakpan mo, tinakpan mo. Mega shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Para po yung ano eh. Yan. Lagyan natin siya ng ano dyan. Ayan. Oh, dyan ka. At habang tayo naghihintay ng ating pinapakulo, ugasan natin yung ating mga pinaglutuan, pinaglagyan ng mga rekado. At syempre, hindi na natin naalisin dito yan dahil naka-charge siya. So, ayan po. Mega shoutout. Titingnan natin yung mga dumarating na tao dyan. Hello, mega shoutout. Sabi niya, ang ingay mo. Diba? Dahil iniwanan natin lahat yung mga rekado natin, madali na lang ang pagluluto. Dahil kailangan alas 5 na isi-serve na natin kay Don Pepot ang kanyang hapunan. Don Pepot. MLSO po. Hello, free retirement, Kurumi Toys. Hello, JS, mega shoutout to you. Hello, hello, mahal kita. Hello, mahal kita, JS. How are you? Is that you, JJ Jado? JJS, mahal kita. Hello, mega shoutout. Ayan. Is that you, JJ Jado? I'm looking for your channel. JS 8. Yeah, I think you are JJ Jero. I will check your channel because if there is like, ayan, may JJ Jero or JS. Mega shout out to you, JS. I already subscribed. Say Jero, hello. Say Jero, mega shout out to you, JJ Jero. I subscribe already to you. That's why I know you who you are. Jero. See, I'm already like your video, so I know you, Jero. Hello, free retirement. How are you? I'm cooking special soup, salmon egg. Yeah, mega shout out. Ooh, it looks delicious, guys. It's easy. Soup of the day, salmon head. Salmon head! Mega shout out. Hello, mahal kita, mahal kita, mahal kita. I am good, thank you, free retirement. Loads too much, baby. Love. See, it's ready to cook. It's ready to eat. My salmon head soup. So delicious, guys.